Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Washing machines, on average, last around 10 years, according to Consumer Reports. If your washer is reaching the threshold, or it's been having some problems, here are some signs the end may be near.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The models involved are being recalled because of an issue that may cause the top of the washing machine to detach from its chassis in the middle of a washing cycle. There is a risk of potential impact injury due to this issue.
Take our lead.
According to Consumer Reports, out of every single kitchen and laundry appliance brand, Speed Queen makes the most reliable appliances on the market. This company makes only washers and dryers, and their products look pretty bare bones and stripped down compared to the competition.
Let's help you make your mark.
Front loaders can have mold, mildew problems. If you use the wrong detergent, too much detergent, or too much fabric softener, or let the drum and gaskets stay wet between uses, mildew and mold will grow in your washer and it'll stink. Wipe out the door and gasket between every use.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.